Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So as you guys could tell from the title, my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beautylish Lucky Rag literally just arrived like an hour ago. I quickly put some glam on. I cannot wait to open this. So if you want to see me unbox this box and see if I was extra lucky or not, then please keep watching. Okay, so I am going to admit it, I have watched a few people's videos and it looks like most people got the same thing, so I'm really curious to see what I've got. Let's dig right in. Like I mentioned before, this is the Beautylish Lucky Bag that they do every year. This is just the Jeffree Star Cosmetics version of it. So it's all Jeffree Star Cosmetics products. I'm super excited because as you guys know, I'm a giant fan of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm really hoping for some stuff I don't already have, so let's jump right in. Ooh, it's wrapped real nice. If you guys want to see, it has like this pretty wrapping here. Okay, it says Lucky Bags are a Japanese custom, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna get to that. Oh my God, okay. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Oh my God. Okay. First, let me get the big kahuna out of the way. I got the motherfucking blood sugar palette. I'm so excited, guys. This is my honestly top 1 or 2 favorite, absolute favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes. I'm shaking. I am so freaking excited. I can't believe it. I was expecting to get blue blood. Everyone that I've seen has gotten blue blood. Oh my God. I don't need to open this, I already know what it looks like, but oh my God, guys, it's seriously one of the most gorgeous palettes of all time. If you haven't tried it yet, you have to. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay. Ah! The gloss! Diet Freeze. Guys, I haven't tried his glosses yet. I've been dying to try the glosses. Okay, like I'm totally blown away. This is totally not what I was expecting in this lucky bag. So this color is called Diet Freeze. Let's take it out and see. Ooh, it's blue. It's really pretty and interesting. Let's see. Oh my God, I frigging adore the packaging. Okay, so this is like a Tiffany blue gloss. Let's see how pigmented it is. So I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of pigmented. It might be really pretty for some really cool, fun looks. Like I am so excited to finally get to try one of his glosses. This is so exciting. Okay, what's next? A skin frost. Guys, I don't have any of his skin frost. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, it's in Siberian Gold. I've been dying to try this. So if you saw a couple of my videos back, I did a review of the Skin Frost Pro palette, the Peppermint Frost one that was in the mystery box. That was for Christmas, and I literally fell in love with it. I'm so excited to get to try this. Let me open it. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Look at the size of that component. Wow. Wow, I am so impressed. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Let's take it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It feels a bit dry. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I don't know. It looks a bit chunky right now. I don't know if I swatched right, but so pretty. I'm so happy I get to try one of his skin frosts. It's giant. It's way bigger than I thought it was. Super good mirror on it too. I'm so excited. By the way, guys, if I didn't mention before, I'm gonna list all the product prices down below. I am in Canada, so I paid $100 Canadian for this box, and with the shipping, it came to $136. So far, I feel like I'm definitely getting my money's worth. I'm really excited. Let's see what's next. I don't know what this is, but like it looks really appealing. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this must be one of the Beautylish packages that they have of his liquid lips. Let's see what color this is. Pumpkin Pie, Chrysanthemum, which I've always wanted to try, and Sagittarius. These are all so pretty. I'm gonna quickly swatch them. Oh wow. This is so pretty. This is like a mauvey purpley color. This is Sagittarius. Love. This collection must have been from one of his Valentine's collections because it's red. I'm guessing that's when it was from. So pretty. I love that color. This is Chrysanthemum. Is that what it's called? Yes, Chrysanthemum. Ooh, it's a really, really, really nice nude. I think there's a little bit of sparkle in there too. That's Chrysanthemum here. Really, really pretty. And finally, Pumpkin Pie, which is, I definitely see some sparkle in there. It looks like a literal like orangey, burnt orange color with some sparkle. It's actually really pretty. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting that. So that one there is Pumpkin Pie. Love. I am so happy. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, this is the last item. This is a liquid frost in the shade Goddess. So I have Crown Jewel already. I got this in one of his mystery boxes, I believe a summer mystery box. And this is Goddess, so that's really pretty. It's not my favorite formula. I did mention that before. It's not something I would necessarily use 24/7. But honestly, I am so happy with this box so far. All right, let me give this a quick swatch. I think you squeeze that down and open. Is that how that works? I don't know. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh my God, that's actually gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can. I really, really like this color. I like it more than the other one, the Crown Jewel color. It was way more glittery. I really like this one. So yeah, guys, wow. I am so happy with this box. Let's do a quick recap. So I got the Blood Sugar palette. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Again, the prices of everything are going to be listed down below. I got a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Siberian Gold. I got a liquid frost in the shade Goddess. I got the gloss in the shade Diet Freeze. And then I got 3 liquid lips in Pumpkin Pie, Chrysanthemum, and Sagittarius. So yeah, guys, if you can't already tell, I'm completely in love with my box. I was not expecting that. The first couple of ones I saw, I was not impressed with. But yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you guys got to get your hands on a box. If you did, please leave me some comments down below. What kind of box did you get? Did you guys like what I got? Do you want me to try anything for you guys? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.